Welcome to one of the most exceptional properties in the Yellowstone River corridor. I'm Patrick Callahan with Realty One, and this is 106 Morgan Trail. Set on just under 30 private acres, this architecturally redesigned estate offers over 5,800 square feet of beautifully finished living space, including a stunning main residence with an ADU. Originally built in 2009 and extensively remodeled with a thoughtfully designed addition, this home lives like new. You'll find soaring ceilings, circle sawn wood floors, radiant heat, high-end appliances, and 4 en-suite bedrooms designed for comfort and privacy. Outside, enjoy expansive views, room for horses, and direct access to neighborhood trails and the Yellowstone River. With an oversized 3-car garage, metal roof, and a level of craftsmanship that's difficult to replicate, this is Montana living at its finest.